Hello students, we have been studying about photosynthesis in the offline classes. I think we have done with the light reactions partly anyway. So one is called as a cycle. I'll be teaching you about the photophosphorylation. What is photophosphorylation? Synthesis of ATP during the light reactions. It is during photosynthesis. Okay, so we classify them as cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, cyclic photophosphorylations are found in bacteria like rhodospirillum, and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, you see it's observed wherever the organisms are using H2S. There's a break in the cycle, chlorobium and chromatium, and also in the Z pathway where cyanobacteria is involved, just like plants. So we will be discussing about the light reactions. I'll tell you about cyclic and non-cyclic with some basic slide, whatever we'll be discussing generally. Okay. So students, you are seeing a slide here which is about the cyclic photophosphorylation. You're seeing the photosystem here where bacteriochlorophyll is excited by 890 nanometers and releases electrons. These electrons are accepted by ferredoxin followed by ubiquinone. So ubiquinone, you know that ubiquinone is able to accept even proton. So by accepting proton and electron, it gets reduced and pumps the proton outside the membrane. An electron is transferred and thus it gets oxidized. Again, cytochrome CC1 gets reduced, accepting few electrons, and cytochrome CC1 further gives electrons to cytochrome C55, and hence there's a oxidation and reduction process alternatively always. Okay, and the electron cytochrome C55 donates electron to back to the photosystem, that is P890. Okay, so there are two things we should understand. Bacteriochlorophyll 890 photosystem can be activated by 890 nanometers. At times, it can also be activated by cytochrome C55. Therefore, this is called as a cyclic. Okay, when in absence of light, the cycle keeps continuing. That's why it's called cyclic. And what is photophosphorylation? You're seeing the two protons which are there in the outer membrane, that's after the cell membrane.